To fix Twitter black screen. Hello everyone, welcome in this video. In today's video I will tell you how to fix your black screen on Twitter. Just watch this video till the end. So first you need to go and you don't have to open your Twitter, just go and open your settings of your phone. So after that you should come directly to your apps, and here on apps you will find all the applications that you have already on your phone. You will search only for your Twitter, so you have just wait until it show you. And then right now I search for Twitter, and I will go to storage, click on clear cache, don't click on clear data, and go back, click on first tab and click OK. And what's the last things, guys? You need to restart your phone. So that's it, guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another